Landscape natural lighting, a phenomenon often overshadowed by its counterpart, artificial lighting, holds the power to transform our outdoor spaces into amazing scenes. Whether it's a tranquil garden, a sprawling countryside, or an urban park, the interplay of sunlight and nature can elevate the aesthetics and mood of any landscape. In this video, we will delve into the wonders of outdoor natural lighting, explore its impact on our surroundings, and reveal how to optimize it for maximum visual appeal. Since time immemorial, natural light has been an integral aspect of human existence. It has a significant impact on our mental and physical health. Natural light exposure has been linked to improved mood, increased productivity, and even better sleep patterns. When it comes to outdoor settings, natural light has an impact that goes beyond our health and well-being. It defines the very essence of the environment. Daylight is the natural lighting provided by the sun during the daytime. It is a dynamic and ever-changing source of light that can significantly influence the aesthetics and functionality of your outdoor space. The benefits are enhanced aesthetics, energy efficiency, health, and well-being. Daylight can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your landscape by highlighting its colors, textures, and features. Using natural instead of artificial lighting during the day reduces energy consumption and lowers utility bills. Natural light exposure is related to enhanced mood, higher productivity, and improved sleep patterns. The beauty of landscape natural lighting lies in its variability. The position of the sun in the sky, time of day, and atmospheric conditions all contribute to the unique character of natural light in any given location. Understanding these variations is essential for harnessing their potential. The hour following sunrise and before sunset is known as the golden hour. The sunshine is soft, warm, and diffused at this time of day, creating a lovely, almost ethereal look. The low angle of the sun's rays enhances texture and adds depth to landscapes. The blue hour are the moments before sunrise and after sunset. The light at this hour has a mellow, bluish tone that offers a quiet and tranquil feel to outdoor settings. When the sun is directly overhead during midday, it creates powerful, directional shadows and can create intense highlights. While this light can be challenging to work with, it can also provide dynamic and dramatic effects. Natural lighting is also influenced by the changing seasons. In higher latitudes, the angle of the sun varies throughout the year, leading to differences in the quality and quantity of light. Understanding these seasonal shifts can help in planning and optimizing landscapes. The sun stays lower in the sky during the winter, casting long shadows and providing a softer, more diffused light. Winter sun might help to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. In comparison, the summer sun is higher in the sky and can be more intense. This is a great way to create vivid, lively landscapes. Natural light has the ability to transform an ordinary landscape into a piece of art. Light's interaction with numerous elements like trees, water features, and architecture can result in attractive compositions. Whether it's dappled sunlight through leaves or the gentle glow on a pond's surface, natural lighting adds depth and dimension to landscapes. The quality of light influences the emotional response to a landscape. Soft, diffused light can evoke a sense of tranquility and calmness, making it ideal for meditation gardens or relaxation spaces. On the other hand, intense, directional light can create drama and excitement, perfect for dynamic urban parks or bustling city squares. To properly harness daylight natural lighting, it is necessary to know the methods of landscape natural lighting. Direct sunlight is the most intense and direct source of natural light, which can be harnessed for various purposes in landscaping. Installing solar panels to capture and convert sunlight into electricity, providing power for landscape lighting and other electrical needs, and designing areas for sunbathing or lounging to make the most of direct sunlight. Reflected light is sunlight that bounces off surfaces and indirectly illuminates your landscape. Water elements like ponds, fountains, and pools can reflect sunlight, creating shimmering effects and increasing the overall ambience, while white surfaces such as light-colored walls, fences, or paving stones can reflect sunlight, brightening up shady areas. Diffused light occurs when sunlight passes through clouds, tree canopies, or other obstructions, creating a soft and gentle illumination. This type of lighting is ideal for outdoor dining and gardens. You can create comfy outdoor dining areas where diffused light sets a relaxed and inviting mood. Diffused light stimulates healthy plant growth and is ideal for highlighting blooms and foliage. Landscape natural lighting is a powerful force that can elevate the beauty, mood, and sustainability of outdoor settings. We can harness the potential of natural lighting by knowing the intricacies of solar variations, seasonal changes, and the impact of natural lighting. Optimizing landscape natural lighting meshes wonderfully with these goals as we continue to prioritize sustainability and environmental conscience. We can build outdoor places that enchant our senses and conserve our planet by adding solar-powered lighting, native landscaping, and night sky-friendly activities. Experiment with different lighting setups and let nature's illuminating touch work its magic in your outdoor space. Embrace the beauty of natural landscape lighting and enhance the charm of your outdoor settings one ray of light at a time.